Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Sean coming at you from High Level. This screenshot does not even do close to the justice it should to how amazing this feature is. So for all of you who are on our WordPress beta right now, this is literally WordPress restoration is now live. So check this out. As you can see in front of me here, you have 4 backups for your WordPress site and an awesome restore button. And here's the deal. The number one thing that happens all the time to us that nukes WordPress websites is super simple. People break them. That's right. They install weird plugins they don't understand. They try that make updates that they don't understand, and boom, all of a sudden, site is down. What do I do? So now we can fix that very easily with the restore button. So let's say the site's down, something weird went wrong, who knows what. You swing into action, you click the restore button, and bam, you can see right here, all right, we're gonna restore your site, restoration in progress. Over here in the detail section, you can see, oh, sorry, restoring your site, so it may not work during this period, but you know what's happening. And then boom, you can see right here, restoration is complete. And now you're back up and running, and you're like, okay, wait a second, what did that, and then now you can step through it a little slower, and now you know there was a gotcha there, and now you know it's fixed. So this is a massive step forward for the WordPress hosting, and this is one of the last things that's going to help us come to general availability, and that really is going live for everybody, which we are going to do by the end of this quarter. Huge step forward. Thank you very much to the team. As always, amazing job, and I hope all of you are having an awesome Tuesday, and I'll see you in just a minute on the next video.